The selling point of the GT239 is its durability. Yeah, these prop guards that come with the GTR 90, they're useless because the dang thing flies so freaking fast. These are just kind of a joke. These are maybe a millimeter and a half thick, and they do break only because you fly this freaking thing so hard. So let's see how this frame holds up. I'm going to be really mean to this frame, but Diatone has set the bar really high. They showed some video on Facebook of him throwing it against the wall and stomping on the frame, but that's all well and good. How does it actually crash? Let's find out.
Telemetry lost.